How to recover suspended Instagram account. So if you want to recover your suspended Instagram account, then just follow the steps. So first, check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you just need to simply open up your browser. So I'm here with my Chrome browser. Once you open up your browser, you just need to simply go with the search and you need to search for Instagram account disabled. And once you've searched, now you just need to simply scroll down and here you will get an option of disable Instagram account. Go with the first option and then scroll down and you just need to simply go with visit this page. Tap on visit this page and it will take you to the next page where what you need to do is simply choose an option, which is my account was disabled, and then tap on next. Once you tap on next, now here you just need to simply enter a reason why your account was disabled. If you know the reason, then you can simply go with Instagram community guidelines if you've not followed them, or you can go with my account was hacked and they disabled my account, or I disabled myself. So you can simply choose the second option or whichever option which is comfortable with you. Tap on next, which is on the bottom, and then tap on no, and then tap on other. And here you need to write about your issue. So simply write, hi Instagram team, or you can also go with report something to Instagram, which will take you to the report page where you just need to simply go with report it here, or report a post or profile on Instagram, or just go with other. And here you need to describe about your issue. So you need to write, hi Instagram team, I think my account has been disabled, so please help me recover my Instagram disabled account. And once you enter your account username and the email address associated with your account, you just need to simply go with submit. And once you've submitted your report, then you'll be able to recover. So that's how you can recover your suspended Instagram account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.